Hey guys, so just a quick one, some metrics you need to know, you need to understand before you actually create your campaign. The first one is cost per click, which we call CPC, average amount Facebook charges you for every click on your ad. So every time someone clicks on your ad, how much you need to spend on an average for that, that's the CPC. And that varies on loads of factors. So the next one is click-through rate. How many people clicked on your ad among every 100 views? So every 100 times your ad was shown on Facebook, how many people actually clicked on that, or how many click did you get on that? So an ideal CTR on Facebook would be 1% to 2%, like 1 to 2 people clicked among 100 views. Impressions, very easy, number of times your ads were shown to the users. Results, number of form submissions or appointment bookings or downloads or calls. So this can vary. Results is a generic term in Facebook metrics. So if you, it basically depends on your goal of the ad. If you have set up your goal as form submission, you want people to submit a form by going to your landing page or by staying in Facebook. Facebook allows you to create forms within Facebook, so you can, so that people can actually download and you get the information. So if you do that, that's your result. If you want someone to go to your calendar and book an appointment, book a procedure or something, that's your results. If you want someone to download your PDF or something like a file, that's your result. Or if you want someone to call you directly by clicking on the ad, that's your result. Frequency. So now this one is a metric that estimates how many times a user sees a Facebook ad on an average. So let's say I, as a user, have seen an ad 2 times. For me, the frequency would be 2. The average number of times for a particular user that saw the ad is actually the frequency. And in my opinion, an ideal frequency is 1.5. That means 1.5 times a user has seen the ad. If it goes above that, then you need to think about replacing the ad with a new one or its own variation or a better version of the ad. So these are the things that you need to understand. There are loads of other things that we'll look into when we actually start implementing our campaign and show you how it's done. So for now, that's pretty much it.